How to add items notes before your shopper starts in Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm your to Sisti. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart on your device. Click on the cart icon at the top right. After you click on the cart icon at the top right, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on the product where you want to add note. After you've clicked on the product, you'll find Add Note for Shopper option. Click on it and then add a note for your shopper and press on Save Note at the bottom. After you have done that, you can simply click on Go to Checkout and check out. The shopper will see your note and do as your note says. This is how to add item notes before your shopper starts on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.